Pelajaran 18, Minggu ke-18, bulan kelima. Sekarang, hafalkan ungkapan-ungkapan ini untuk dipraktikkan sehari-hari.
Be honest. I suppose it's nice. When will you be back? May I speak, madam? It is enjoyable. It is too noisy. How do you know? Ah, really? Don't talk so loudly. Yes, please do. What are you doing now? Don't be sad. Don't say that. Wait and see. May I introduce myself to you?
Percakapan. Sedang senggang.
How are you getting along?
Same as usual.
Are you busy with your work?
No, I'm not doing anything now.
What if we go to Puncak?
It's a good idea.
Let's go by car, okay?
Kalau kita perhatikan percakapan tadi, ada kata-kata yang sudah mempunyai pasangan-pasangan dengan kata yang lain. Artinya, pasangan tersebut tidak boleh diganti. Apabila pasangan kata tersebut diganti, maka artinya akan berubah. Misalnya, go by. Artinya, pergi dengan, melalui. Go with, artinya, pergi bersama-sama. Go in, artinya, masuk. Go out, artinya, keluar. Go to, artinya, pergi ke. Nah, coba kita ulangi contoh percakapan tadi.
Are you busy with your work? Let's go by car.
Pasangan kata kerja akan dipelajari pada pelajaran 23. Sekarang, hafalkan pasangan kata sifat dengan kata depan berikut.
For, eager for, enough for, famous for, fit for, grateful for, nice for, qualified for, ready for, responsible for, sorry for, sufficient for, suitable for, thankful for, valid for. Are you ready for tennis? Is this dress suitable for the party? With, angry with, annoyed with, busy with, consistent with, content with, familiar with, identical with, patient with, popular with, vexed with. Are you busy with your children? Our English teacher was angry with us.
Catatan, angry with digunakan terhadap orang. Angry at digunakan terhadap benda.
Of, afraid of, ahead of, ashamed of, aware of, capable of, careful of, certain of, conscious of, east of, envious of, fond of, guilty of, ignorant of, independent of, jealous of, kind of, north of, proud of, short of, shy of, south of, sure of, tired of, west of, worthy of. Don't be afraid of the rabbit. She is tired of that book. 2. Close to, contrary to, cruel to, dear to, equal to, faithful to, fatal to, harmful to, indifferent to, inferior to, liable to, new to, obedient to, obvious to, polite to, previous to, rude to, sensitive to, similar to, useful to. I am often helpful to you. Why are you rude to your servant? At, bad at, clever at, efficient at, expert at, good at, indignant at, quick at, sad at, slow at, skillful at. I am slow at learning the game. Merici is clever at playing badminton. From, away from, different from, far from, resulting from, safe from. Is it safe from chemicals? How far is it from here? In, deficient in, fortunate in, honest in, interested in, weak in. I'm interested in pop music. David is quite honest in his intentions. On, dependent on, intent on, keen on. I am keen on cycling. Do you intend on playing tennis? About, anxious about, curious about, doubtful about, enthusiastic about, reluctant about, right about, uneasy about. Why are you doubtful about the result of the match? I am anxious about my health.
Praktikkan bahasa Inggris yang Anda ketahui tanpa malu-malu. Dan jangan lupa bahwa bahasa Inggris bukan bahasa ibu kita atau mother tongue. Sebelum melanjutkan ke pelajaran berikutnya, ingatlah bahwa sesudah kata-kata depan, before, after, for, at, of, dan lain-lain, kata kerja harus ditambah akhiran ing. Contohnya,
before going for a walk, I must help my wife. After studying, we want to play chess. Excuse me for interrupting you. He is slow at reading. Because of raining, I can't get to the office.
Bentuk ing ini disebut gerund. Semua rahasia gerund ini akan dipelajari secara khusus. Just wait and see.